Hi everyone, how do you do? Let us look at friction. Friction. Friction is the force resisting the relative motion of solid surfaces, fluid layers, and material elements sliding against each other. What are the types of friction? We have static friction, sliding friction, which is also known as kinetic friction, yes, or dynamic friction if you like. We have rolling friction and fluid friction. Static, sliding, and rolling friction occur between solid surfaces. Static friction is strongest, followed by sliding friction and then rolling friction, which is weakest. Fluid friction occurs in fluids, which are liquids or gases. Exactly. I have said it earlier. Yes, when two things rub or move against each other, friction occurs. Friction is the force which makes moving things slow down and stop moving. Friction is important in our everyday lives. It helps us to walk without falling. It also produces heat. For example, heat is produced when parts of a machine, move over each other. Friction also causes rubbing parts to wear out or get damaged. Tires wear out due to the friction between the moving tires and the ground. This is true. Kitchen and other knife blades go blunt and get smaller because of friction between the knife edge and the object being cut. Metal surfaces of parts of machines wear out due to the effect of friction between the rubbing surfaces. Even the sole of shoes wear out due to friction between the shoes and the ground. Exactly. It happens to your shoes all the time. It happens to mine also. Now, let us look at friction reduction. Friction reduction. These are ways friction can be reduced. There are many different ways of reducing friction. One is reducing friction by lubrication. Reducing friction by lubrication. Slippery substances, like oil, yes, or grease can be placed between two rubbing surfaces so that they move smoothly against each other. This method of reducing friction is called lubrication. Exactly. We have another one, reducing friction with ball bearings. A ball bearing is a round part of a machine that allows a moving part to turn against a fixed point smoothly. Yes. Let's take it again. A ball bearing is a round part of a machine that allows a moving part to turn against a fixed part smoothly. Exactly. Another one is reducing friction using a simple uh, belt drive. Yes, a belt drive is a belt that carries motion, from an engine to another part of a machine. For example, the fan belt of a motor car is a very good belt that transfers circular motion, yes, to the cooling fan. You know what I mean? For those of who use cars and buses and trailers, and you know exactly what I mean here. So the motion is carried to the cooling fan of the engine. Yes. What about those in the market who use the egusi grinder, the pepper grinder, the tomato grinder? Yes, these are used in the market and are also driven by a rubber belt. Yes, these machines are driven by a rubber belt. Another one is reducing friction by chain drive. Yes, for those of us who ride bicycles, this is where we experience this. The bicycle, you know, uses the chain drive, which works just like the belt drive. The only difference is that your legs are the machine transferring the circular motion through the pedals, um, to the back of the machine using the chain. Yes, this is the difference here. And then other methods of reducing friction include streamlining. Exactly. Another one is by polishing. The use of polish helps to reduce friction, and the use of pencils or polystyrene plus other ones. You can mention two, three, four more. Yeah. Leave your answer at the comment section. This is Manuel Gates Ideas. Like, comment, and share our videos. You're welcome.